All right. This is the elevator in Wing C at the Bateman Physical Sciences building at ASU Tempe. I don't know how much longer this elevator will be here because right now Wing D is undergoing an extensive renovation, and I think that they ripped out the other elevator, but I don't know for sure, and I won't know until it reopens. They are redoing, I think, the entire Bateman complex and making it more modern. So this might be here for maybe a few more years. I'm not sure though. Let's go to 3. Now, as you all know, this has that cool swing door. I really hope they preserve this elevator because it has that cool swing door here. Look at how cool that is. It is so rare to find one of these, at least in the Southwest. Gotta have a key to access it from here. We're gonna go ahead and send this elevator up to 3. Well, the window's kind of dirty, so you can't really see the inside, but here it is. I hope this elevator gets preserved, and that's it.